Ready?
Yeah.
So buyers will often ask why a property like this works so well in Lobo. What would you say are the benefits?
So a 3-bedroom townhouse is the perfect lock-up and leave home. You have space for guests and family, all without the upkeep and hassle of owning a large villa. All very manageable. Here you have the chance to make something truly your own. This property offers value in an up-and-coming area, and you've got the opportunity to tailor it exactly to how you want to holiday or live. Living in Vale means world-class golf courses, beach, gym and spa facilities, kennels and paddle courts, great restaurants, medical service and 24-hour security, all at your doorstep. So whether you're looking for a holiday home or just a smart investment, this property offers lifestyle, location and potential all in one. I'm Sam from Mapro Frank. Check out reference 2762 on our website or contact me for a viewing.